I am Nathalie Maubon, a senior scientist in biology in human health.
I'm Fabrice Sansin. I'm a director of research at INSERM, and I work in a CNRS laboratory here in Lille.
I am the manager of HCS Pharma, a startup company focused on in vitro preclinical studies.
I work in the SMILEY project, which is a research project aimed at joining microtechnologies and microfluidics research in a cancer environment here in Lille, in the hospital campus. And my lab is actually located in Tokyo. It's a CNRS lab, for which we represent the Mirror site here in Lille.
We developed new innovative 3D cellular models to reproduce disease as cancer, as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, so neurodegenerative disease. And we use biomimesis technology, that is new innovative 3D cellular models which reproduce the extracellular matrix. We know that 90% of new drugs fail during the clinical phase in humans in really late stage. This is due to the lack of relevant in vitro models. We want to go further with 3D cellular models, and we want to reproduce an organ. We use biomimesis technologies to reproduce the extracellular matrix when we add the different cell types of the organ to reproduce an organ. In SMILEY and IOMN group, they work on microfluidics systems, so they develop biochip, they reproduce blood vessel with the microfluidics systems, and with them we want to combine our both technologies.
So the main goal of this lab is to bring together engineer people and biologists to work on cancer research in a clinical environment, which is the CHRU of Lille. Now my specific topic is to work on blood vessels and cancer. The aim of our work is to study these blood vessels because they are important not only for bringing oxygen and nutriments, but they are also important for bringing or for allowing the immune system to fight cancer. They are also important for letting drugs cross the blood vessels and go fight the tumor cells themselves. Now for the specific topic of the PhD program that is co-financed by ICIT ULNE, we aim at reproducing a blood vessel in a microfluidic system. Basically, we use microtechnologies in order to create new devices, which we call biomems, and in which we grow cells from human blood vessels. And we try to recreate a channel and put together the cells that constitute the blood vessels and also the matrix, the environment. We try to do this and to create the flow so as to reproduce the blood flow inside the blood vessel, which naturally occurs.
With the biomimesis technology, we want to miniaturize them like displayed in 384 well plates, to test a lot of compounds on these in vitro models, and we want to go further with organ-on-a-chip systems, with the blood vessel included in the organ, to have an organ on a chip, to have higher relevance models to test new drugs in a different area like Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, oncology or cardiometabolic disease.
The PhD project is split in two parts. One is to create this vessel in vitro in these biomems devices, and the other one is to screen with Nathalie, with the help of her company, drug libraries in order to see how they affect the growth of these blood vessels or the permeability, what we call permeability or integrity of these blood vessels, and see if we can find new drugs which can fight against the growth of these blood vessels in tumors.
With both, we can go to organ-on-a-chip. So organ-on-a-chip, it's 3D cellular models with whole cell types, with the extracellular matrix, with also the blood vessels. So with that, we can reproduce all organs of the human on a chip to find new drugs on this disease as cancer, Parkinson's disease or Alzheimer's disease or all other disease.